Okay. I forgot to be recording. I'm recording now, but I forgot to record. So if you're watching this recording, might have missed a little bit here. In problem number 3, it says that there's a steel rod with a diameter of 0.50 inches, and you see that. It also says that the stress cannot exceed 24,000 psi. So I interpret that as it must be equal or less than 24,000. And then it wants to know what force can make this happen, or what's the maximum force maybe? I don't remember what it said, but I'm looking for the F in this equation. And I know that I'm knocking my phone off. I know that there's an equation. Let me see. Sigma equals F over A. I guess it's the same equation, right? Sigma equals F over A. Sigma equals F over A. We're finding the F. So would it be, believe me, I'm asking, I'm not really sure. Sigma times A, is that right? F equals sigma times A. So we got the given, the unknown in the equation. And yet again, the diameter is what we're given, and the area is what we need. And this is, again, a circle. So what is the equation for an area? And I think that's, let me see. Okay, so pi times what? Are you sure? Is it diameter or radius? R. So what is it? R squared, is that correct? Okay, so I made a new equation. I had F equals sigma times A. Now I got F equals sigma times pi times R squared. So I think I'm good to go with substitution now. So I'm going to give myself a little more room over here. F equals sigma, it's 24,000, right? And then pi, what's pi? 3.14? So is that correct, Jess? The circumference, that's right. And then R is 0.5, and that's squared. Now, you know order of operations, right? That you got to do 0.5 squared, and then multiply 24,000 times 3.14 times whatever that is. By the way, I already know what 0.5 squared is because my brain is like a calculator. I know that 0.5 squared is actually 0.25. Are you impressed, Adam? Yeah. Okay, but if you really want to be impressed, let's see if I can do something super fancy. Hey Siri, what is 0.5 squared times 24,000 times 3.14? $18,840. I don't know if that's right, but that's what she said, assuming that I said the right thing. Kevin, do you agree with that answer? Oh no. Oh, I made a mistake. I was so arrogant and told you, oh, watch this, I'm so clever. And it turns out that is not right. Why is that not right? Because that is not a radius. That's a diameter. So let me just do it again. Cody, you missed me embarrassing myself in front of the entire world. I mean, I usually embarrass myself in front of the 8 of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, it is 8. But I just embarrassed myself in front of the entire world because it's not 0.5 for the radius, it's 0.25. Kevin, thank you so much for catching that. This is a perfect example of me needing you to have a collaborative relationship with me. Don't expect me to be like, oh, here's all the answers, and you just listen. So I got to try this again. Hey Siri, what is 24,000 times 3.14 times 25? Oh, I made a mistake. I must use bad words. Okay, stop it, Siri. I want you to stop. Let's start over. Hey Siri, what is 0.25 squared times 24,000 times 3.14? Okay, 4,710. 4,000. Does that make sense? Maybe 4,710. That's okay. I think that's close enough. That's probably a little round off error because I use 3.14. I bet you use the calculator value of pi, which is much more accurate. And so look, there's an answer. I did a problem and recorded it and allowed anyone at home, like Sid or Nassim. I mean, there's other people there. That's it. Is that good? Should I stop now? I'm going to, I guess I'll stop the recording. And I'll say, bye for now. I'm waving and no one can see me.